doku lal ning I contandi yik salary la faye ya fo ko benyi ne nyine kelal benyi ne nying provisions nyin si falba wala kelal because this year business on nying a flourish tale back business on nying bet yatal bari momu ya lonko atika more employ you employ these people because maybe he might be watching I don't know because I alone last year tutaja nekasika program on GB you know very well what I'm talking about last year we spoke with you told your employees that your lawyer will be coming it's just few minutes ago lan tefanga lonko this lawyer is a male nga male no for musol because Tony kabria for nyi bukalon for care to lon for musutola ma put no into place but nga lon ne ko sign ko musol kewala you said your lawyer is coming to create a job contract, no, to issue a job contract to your employees. Where on earth, or tell me, if you are living in Lebanon, will you give a job contract to a Lebanese people, not allowing them to read that job contract? They will not know what is the content of that contract. This, you will never call it a job contract. A job contract should be according to the Gambian law, but your job contract, there is no one place whereby you have stated according to the Gambian law, according to the Labor Act law, this and this and this and this, what is going to happen. You were just commanding them, telling them what they want. This job contract is just like, to me, a threat to these employees. You have been threatening them. Enough of that. We welcome every foreign investor, but we want investors who comes to the country, treat us with dignity, give us the fair wages we want, treat us as human beings. But you cannot be making your money out of that country, and you said you are not going to respect the people living in that country, the people you employ, who are making your business to move forward. Because without these people, your business will be zero. You cannot do anything because you cannot run it on your own. I know it is in the Gambia. We have this social life that we have. It is in Africa. How can somebody be working for you, have an accident, sit at home for 3 months? You did not pay this person 1 cent. You did not even try to make an effort to call this person. And now you are sitting there. We are challenging you. If you are watching this live program, to come up here and clarify to the people, to clear your name, the name of your restaurant, that you have not been paying these people $1,500. You are sitting there denying on your phone, telling people that everything that has been said on this live programs are lies. They are not true. Whilst you know very well that everything I have been saying here, it's all facts. We want you to enjoy your business, but we want you also to create an atmosphere for your employees whereby they will be happy at the end of the month. People will be glad to come to work because they know at the end of the month, we are going to be paid fairly. But in your restaurant, what you do is you employ people telling them, if you come, you will get enough of tip. I don't know if I've tip. Are you employing people based on tip, or are you employing people based on the job they are doing? So this is something that needs to end. We are going to make a live program on you, and we are going to send it to the whole authorities. We want changes. We want people to enjoy their works their work life in the Gambia. We don't want to see our youths running, using this back way, coming here because they don't have any perspective, because they are being exploited in this country. Exploited by foreign investors who come and say, we want to create jobs for you. You are creating jobs for people just to exploit them, creating jobs for yourself. This is exploitation of our people. When you create a job, I don't know, sometimes we need to blame our authorities. What is this silly things they have been doing with you people? Creating a job, but they are telling you, you can bring how many percentage of your people from your country, employ them in Gambia, pay them in foreign currency. They don't pay tax in the Gambia. And the ones you employ as Gambians, they have been paying the list of the money. You don't even, they don't even have health insurance. You don't even pay a social security. They don't have any benefits. At the end of the day, when they work for your restaurant for 20, 30, 50 years, when they retired, what do you have in stock for those people? Because they don't know their right doesn't mean you have to exploit that. If our leaders, or if the people who are put in place to see that every Gambian is going to work to be paid fairly, to be paid a social security, to have a life insurance, to have a medical insurance. We are not saying every one of them, but most of your staffs are there. You pay them whatever you want. You insult them. You don't treat them with respect. There is this man who was there, an old man coming to mix your flour, your ilafurinyo pizza da damunda. He passed away because of humanity. We are talking about now. This is not something that you should do, but somebody who is very old has been coming to your restaurant, working for you. When this person dies, at least you should show sympathy. You should sympathize with the family. Show that at least I have showed my respect and sympathy for this person who is working for me. This girl who have accident, you never took your phone to call her one day to see how she is doing. And now you're sitting there telling people this is all lies, what we are saying. If it is lie, we are challenging you to come here and tell every Gambian who is listening and tell the whole world that you, Ali, of the owner of the Paradiso restaurant in Senegambia, all that have been said are lies and that you are going to prove it. The girl's sister was there yesterday. You were ready to pay the money, but according to the instructions of your lawyer said, no, the money should not be paid. The girl's parent has to come to him. For what reason? Is the father the employee here? Let's take things officially. Let's not take it as the familiar way. This lady has been working for you. She got accident. She was in bed. 3 months, you never bothered to pay her salary. You waited until the contract ended. You told her, I have terminated you, knowing very well that she cannot take any actions against you. Because wherever she goes, what are you going to say? The contract has been ended. But we are saying that you pay her 3 months salary. That is what she deserves. You cannot be employing somebody and on her way to work. If this was somewhere in a serious country, the insurance should have been there for her. You should have been paying her money. But 3 months, how was she able to survive? She was not even bothered to come and ask this money because $1,500, what is somebody going to do with that? Even housemates in Gambia are collecting $4,000, $5,000. People sitting at the market selling their vegetables, they are earning $6,000 a day profit. You telling somebody, I employ you because of tips you are going to get. And these tips that you have been stealing from our people is enough. You should declare this at the GRA because whatever income you have in your business, you should declare it at the Gambia Revenues Authority. Are you doing that? This tip doesn't belong to you, Ali. We have told you this last year. It doesn't belong to you. The tip belongs to the employees. Who do you think you are? We have had enough of this thing. You have made millions. It is enough. Pay your workers fairly. That is what we are calling for. Treat them with dignity. Whatever you have in your business is none of our business. We don't care about that. But all we care is treat them with dignity, give them fair wages, allow them to read the job contract and give them a proper job contract whereby it will be clearly stated. What time should the work start? When is the contract going to be ended? What are they entitled to? That is not even there. So it is only in the Gambia you will sit down. A whole institution like the Labor Office is not doing anything against such people. And you are not the only one. I've seen your job contracts. It has been like that for many companies. So all we are saying is treat them with dignity, give them respect, pay them fairly, because your restaurant is operating and you have the busiest restaurant in Gambia. No matter even if it is busy or not, it is their rightful thing. When they come to work, they earn salaries whereby when they go back home, they can give back to their families. You don't employ them because of tip. You don't employ them because of when they come, they whatever they get there is you don't care. Yeah, I'm employing you because of I give you $1,000, Ninata, you will have tip here, 1,000, and this tip you have been taking away from them. And you don't even create a job atmosphere whereby your employees will be happy at the working place. Boss muya lonko wale kala doku lal jahase. Last year we've spoke about somebody who you know also was attacked. Yafanam bayjane, you just dismiss people anyhow you like. You expect them to inform you whenever they want to stop the job contract. But when you are stopping the job contract, you will never give notice. You don't inform them. You don't give warning letter. You just get up and say, this is my decision. That is what we don't want. We want that to end. And it is not that we are following you because we want to witch hunt you. 9, we want our people to enjoy their rights in their country. We are not here against any foreign investor. We welcome every foreign investor, but we want fair treatment, fair payment, and treat them with dignity. Because you want them to respect you. We also deserve this respect from you. Because whatever you have today, whatever you are getting today, you have it all from the Gambia. So I think the Gambian people deserve more than the way you are treating them. Ala baraka bake mba wala fala fabi jel fatije bari mba upload la late ala baraka. So wala en natija lawyer ko akana kodo nyi jo ay kodo nyi mutaje fo dindingo nyi fama nyi yena so nyi fela ben kolka fo dindingo fama yena lawyer mu ya lonko kabring incident hapunta dindingo fama ya kolle pour ya negotiate pour ya jo ala kodola ay dindingo fama nyi na telephone number nyi ay wo block because amal la fani yediam. But right now I ajeko social media to ya la fengole post je mu ya lonko concerning him. All of a sudden he is interested to talk to the father of this employee, the said employee. So let us be real with ourselves. Alna long kan kungol taman di nyamen. Itete taralaye ke lawyer ti Gambia. Ya foko mola salary nying itadila obe luwa jumaleto. Nying mu offense lati. Nying mu kulete mu ya lonko anin luwa manta. Inyantale ya jo ala kodola. Ye right jumale soto kala kodo nyimuta lafta wale lona. Niaji ali benyi manya sifal kela. It is the Gambian people who are giving them this power. Because Gambian ol manyo kano, manyo muta. Gambian ol le kodo tambendika tambi afansong moti. So, momu ya lonko woltata nunkunu. Ka lecha nying samba because nga fo sunkuto ye ko atefa ngotitalo no abelarin. Aya draft, aya safe ko. Ngandoma authorize this name. Pura na ayen salary nyin diala aliala uniform o seindala. Because anyanta tamala wala nyam. Kabri weyo kaito samba aya di alela alie kaito nyinta aya natal aya kia la lawyer yi ala lawyer nyi ya read kola aya call ako hani akana kodo nyin diala. Ate ali besiri nje mol ba call kan aba fala mole ko ha fani alom woman soto ika mumfo. Now you're putting yourself in a funny position because fengol bentol bulle whereby we can prove that you are paying $1,300 or $1,500. You cannot deny that. Right now, you are ashamed of yourself because people have been calling you, asking you, are you the one doing this? Is this all true what the people are saying about you? This cannot all be lies. It is true because you know it is uncomfortable. It is unhuman. It is uncalled for. This is why you are saying, no, it is not true. But you know very well it is true. It is true. I know right now, if I come to your restaurant, everyone will be saying it is not true because that is what you do and most of you people do. You threaten them. I have seen that. Somebody walking in Yasmina came to me and said, can you help me? After when I did my video, my first video about Yasmina, she was the one who was telling me on my page, you are lying. It is not true. But you know, God so good. 3 months later, I problem also, and she came to me, want me to defend her. This is what I am saying. They are using you people, you Gambians, to come against us who are trying to create a better atmosphere, a better Gambia for every Gambian. But know that If they use you today, tomorrow when you get in that mode, nobody is come to bring you out of that mode. So I think everyone should think critically and know what you are doing. Don't allow anybody to force you to say things that is not happening. You know very well you don't have your rights at your workplace. You know very well at every end of month, you are not happy with your salary. You don't have a social security. You don't have a health insurance security. Sometimes you are even sick and they force you to come to work. Sometimes your parent will even die. They will tell you come to work. That is not a law that you should sit at home, but it's part of humanity. When they are in Gambia, they should respect our culture also. Because naketa atella mo fata abala restaurant sorona laita. So why you as a Gambian ibe doku woke kanye abe maltreat kan abe nenkan abe cool be kekan ibe daring. At the end of the day na parita koleko alta the voice of Fantala platform to alyi negative comment kiye. Muna nandi tebe sonna kawake. Emira, you are just like Modo fana muyalonko wobijele kabanko tilimbalia wala na nyaton kol mulbije alkana song mokal use to fight against your own people. Because what we are fighting for, it's not for me, it's not for these people sitting here, but it is for the next generation coming. Altolle ka wuli somandal buka dasama songo soto. Altolle ka wuli somandal buka paso sotal kata. Altolle kata doku wala ali overtime doku ibukal jo. Altolle kata suto albeta mola. After working hours, these employees among any staff boss dial. Sometimes ibuka pasol dial. Ika munjo town triple. Why albesonnako alkata doku wala because of tip? Why albesonnako alkata doku wala because of inse opportunity soto je inse tubabo soto je mumbe makwela. We have restaurants here. Tourism bejanne tubabu duja. Restaurants all bejanne. Tourists come here, they give tip, but nobody is not going to work because of tip. You should start to, alial fangol respect. Alial fangol la value long. Janini molbe la value dile. Because nima kelebe tula konole. Binya e momu bay soma Gambian keme be lorim bundato pour ka nyindo ko ta nganal be ya lonne ko nyindo ko mu yalon ko mbita kan jele nyimanya sifale katamaje. Mulbe bel akwal be sirinje more than 6 months al musol ninke wala be jom kon killing or usela. Albe derinje muna na youth soul alte wulila alial fangol mobilize na laftansa organize alita National Assembly alia foye kombatatale. We want better job conditions. We want to be treated with dignity and respect in our own country. We are ready to work, but not in such conditions. Mona na taila bankota nyantala yemuta with dignity and respect. We are here in a foreign country, but what these people are doing in our country, mtolman wu fit fama soto kakijam. So muna nan tolbe sonna wala. Muna nan nyanta kasong wala. Organize yourselves. Janal be mira lambitala nim bagwe ni tata bagwe ameta nyawonya be sela na ila banko konol. Munati nan di Gambia bika foko mulbe diaspora wol ka how many percent la dun di Gambia la economico. Woman ke fenti country nyanta proud la munna. Because womo kulete mu yalonko ila banko dingol bebe la banko bula le kata luntangol le binale ila banko overtake. Munati nandi ibe lizen all deal la mulia lonko. They are creating more companies and these people are not treating our people right. Before giving them ka license or deal like operate ka business yele, go and see the business they are running, how they are handling that one. The people that are working there, how they are being treated. The people who are lonko will look at our inspection all, let them be honest with themselves. We are all suffering. Maria Mangejel, I invite her later, but so, malum for nying akunin Taliban. A malum baji be the filing ko nyingel. Because last time at abandoned. Niya yele nakite mandun no isan call fanambijan. Yeah. Okay. So, Gambians, we should know what we want. Gambia manke pour moti ye nanang ye Gambia nol muta comme tole ye kodo bondi Gambia kono ka sambe la bankoto mambalan wala because ning Gambia nol man job create for Gambians ning foreigner nata niya create for us it is fine but let them treat us with respect. Let it be fair. Nakote inata business la business should be fair. Business should not be one-sided. And whenever I report Samba to the rightful authorities, they run there. Last year, we saw this Ali, who you know, you are now here saying all what we are saying is lies. But last year, you met with some of your staffs at the labor office. What were you there to do? What, Sibomba mbela nomba fenkela jen, nyindon tayele lano, say. Sibo, yeah, ntamtena mwela lano, say, malon. No number do fa be bulle, nakita no number do nyimbe bulu, maybe en safeye, malon fo be bulle. Ali ni molna benta labor office o jinto je akata muna nyini nunje moli la report o Samba because we are not going to tolerate this. If these people are there to accept bribery and corruption, we the Gambians, we are the majority. We are standing up against that. We are saying no of the exploitation. And anybody muya lonko ibe position auto inyante la doko kele nyanta ka kenyaming ima kenyaming iko ikanyi molle empower because of ibe money boto mundilela because of ibe $10,000 mundilela pour one day ya domo altoli ya lonne nyinka kodi jelle soto molla bankoto kotenke diningol ka tip mun soto kotenka ya busi bula restaurant or like a gina far restaurant or beti kabri muntu mayo fanya. Even last year, even like few months ago came about in Gambia. Ani multata voltata no yasmina le domoro mambeti ya fekete atakana laban tatlea ye domoro sangatalea ala domoro el kadial gestol kasial ay service nole baraka munke al koma dokulal aka wol trick nyaming ni afo bi ala gesti ko ning a paradiso restaurant nyimo nyimo si falti they will deny it. We see people mulia lonko nin torisol nataji ikafueko we are paying them you know maybe $1,000 ke jowol atrabe wulia because ika nuwol male ni wolia lonko ike jo less wages lala woltina la domoro ke la je kotanke ni wolia lonko fa ika tip mundi nyin doku lalle ka possible woltina la je kotanke so munati nandi ntolbe silambe sonna nyin ko nyanta ka tamanna bankoto mol mulia lonko wolle nyanta ka tamandi mata mandi and they are all aware of this. Last year tol mul bebe sirin jang albeya witness la ngaki janne ngaki le ngaleta safele mfongo takale fo Gambia nsita ila official kono ni diamuta. So ni man lafika ken tolbe wuri la jenne lungo lunka itandi lako ab kanyantale. We have enough of this. So yeah, mbatunga molta.
Sister Fanta.
Na. Ma.
Abenyade.
Mija.
Sorry, no call soto. Ali Paradiso last year. Kabring ifinteta yediamo datijang.
Yeah.
Ali kala stafful jo $1,350 ali lola de fay staff ami. Pour Gambians ñu xam ko. $1,350.
Yeah.
So last year bu Fanta gene mu ne mu start di address restaurant yi. Mu start di wax ci restaurant yi. Bam aga Paradiso. Mu start di wax ci Paradiso di wax ci Paradiso ali gena time bobu la Sister Fanta wax ne na staff yépp sign ak ali contract. Ali time bobu la ragal mu gena mu oloyam bi indi contract paper. Bum indi contract paper Paradiso mu ne staff am bi bu ken read contract paper bi way na gay sign.
Yeah, okay, modo idea mo follow. User yi. Mala jumala user. Jumala user. Jumala Maria mala next. Also God solve. What a God solve. He said no. Please Allah like isaje call sitano san. I mean all of me experience or I have more. That is what we want.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Nade.
Jamare. Si bombatu ay fay diam ko. Okay, yes. Nite pare de sedun nan ko tay. Yes.
Okay, man dama bëgg on behalf of Kairaba. Kairaba shopping center.
waaw maa ngi gis yaa ngi ma binda sax.
maa ngi doon liggéey foofu noonu. Yeah, man maa la bindal dama génnoon sorry for that. maa ngi doon liggéey foofu noonu almost 6 months. man benn site moo ma jaaxal even though the way they are treating their staff is very bad but maa ngi doon liggéey site yi cake bi gars dañ ñëw ñu indi beneen paper so paper bi it says that comme ñun mii nekk di defar cake bi ak jaay bi we are not infected with any disease kon amuñu HIV amuñu benn feebar boo xam ne comme dafa sonal nit ki wala nit ki am doubts yëfi lekka bi without doing any test they just come and take our name the next 5 minutes what I see is a poster like they place it on the xam nga si maraj bi ku ñëw mu read ne we have done the test and it is clear that we don't have any disease you get so ba pare most of the time dañ day gis comme food and safety nit yi gars dañ day ñëw foofu noonu gis nga suñ ñëwee duñ dee xool because ma may jaay kii bi xam naa ne sometimes kii daf dee am 3 days lu gën a saat moo nekk Gambian su ñëwee pour jënda dañ koo jaay Gambian bi waaye ñoom seen own nit yi suñ ñëwee pare na ci suñ ñëwee dañ leen day joxe dañ leen day jox
ngeen ka fintele so pour nga diamu dama ndindaro nga ta
ok waaw loolu yow su fekkee yaa ngi am time nga may si boobu moom mu wax su paree dafa wax.
yeah okay
waa baalal ma de
ok
ok Sister Fanta bu mu génnee last year mu nekk di wax si Paradiso Ali was very uncomfortable call na àdduna bi yëpp ñum xam pour ut ndimbal amul so si la génnee contract paper mu ne na staff yi sign contract paper am na staff yu ma call man ñu ne ma ne saa yi de indi na contract paper de ñu mu ne ñu sign ma ne leen ne bu kenn sign man si laa contact Sister Fanta mu ne ma ne waxal gaay bu kenn sign fekk riidu loolu nekk si paper bi man si laa wax gaay ne bu kenn sign fekk riidu loolu nekk si paper bi so ñeneen ñi ñu sign without reading because nanguwut gaay read so beneen jaxa mu ngi fa kooku mu ne moom dafa read balaa moo sign because xamut lan la moo sign léegi Ali mu ne kooku noonu ne lu tax nga bëgg a sign paper bi fekk lawyer bi mu ngi toog de nekkuti absent lawyer bi si present lawyer bi lawyer mu ne ko signal Ali ne ko we don't have time for that you have to sign if you don't sign you leave the job in front of the lawyer pour lawyer bi sax mu ibi gémmiñam mu ne jànqa bi ne riidal looy sign lawyer bi si boppam dafa accept lu Ali def Ali mu ne jaxa bi na bàyyi liggéey because of jaxa bi dafa ne dafa read paper bu mu war a sign mu daaxa jànqa bi ba pare fayut ko kooku dem ba pare mu request uniform am bi pour kooku indi ko kooku tam ñàkk fayda ba pare am na staff yi Gambian sister yu fa nekk ñu bon ñu soxor ñu hypocrite ñu dee wipe asi Ali bi ñoo xam ne Ali su daaxee staffam yi ñooñu la dee yónnee naan la dem leen jëlal ma suma uniforme yi xanaa bu mu la employé ñooñu di leen jox uniforme yoo la ko joxoon pour nga jox gaay Sister Fanta boo waxee ne Ali ne dafa war a change salary lisam bi Ali si la start di fay staffam yi 1500 ñu fa liggéey more than 8 years ñooñu la nekk di fay 1500 waaye ñu staff yu fa nekk 1350 la leen doon fay ni jànqa bii nii nga xam ne moo am accident di complain na mi man kooku xam naa ko bu baax waaye moom tamit soo gisee Ali di leen toroxal nii ñoom ñoo ko nangu because dafa bokkoon suñu nekkoon di wipe asi Ali bi di jaamu Ali soo ko dee liggéeyal daf dee bëgg nga jaamu ko Ali dangaa am tip mu nangu sa tip Ali danga sa yaay dafa dee mu ne nga ñëw liggéey soo ñëwut mu daaxala si gàttal Ali staffam dafa liggéey foofu mu am accident Ali dafa ibi on gémmiñam mu ne daf ko mooy because nekkul kii mooy di only staff ko am accident foofu noonu tap leen screen bi nekkul kooku mooy di only staff ku am accident foofu noonu Ali head waiter mu fa njëkkoon a nekka Ali daf koo xam ne daf leen dee liggéeyal suba ba guddi suba daf dee ewu dem seen mini market liggéeyal leen ngoon mu ñëw si restaurant bi suba ba guddi laa la wax kooku Ali xam nga bu mu paree si moom lan la ko def I swear to the holy Quran Ali dafa jiiñ kooku sàcca bu mu jiiñee kooku sàcca te kooku ñëpp a ko xam ba pare naari customer ñëpp a lay kooku because of service am bu customer starté di ñëw foofu di lacce kooku muy tuumal kooku ne kooku dafa sàcca ñun customer suñu laccee dañ leen deew dafa fen kooku sàccut man suma maas ñoo dee ibi suñu gémé ñi di wax loolu noonu dafa fen kooku sàccut ñooñu dañ lay am pour dem fekk kooku tamala because kooku mu ngi liggéey tamala yàlla def kooku am accident benn xale bu munut moto moo sàcca moto papaam fekk kooku si bunti bitik bi tampon ko kooku tànkaam yi yëpp ñu dama Ali moo ibi gémmiñam mu ne kooku dafa war a dee imagine la ku la liggéeyal moo daan 8 years mu nge kooku nga xam daf day jaamu Ali ba ñun suñu bopp dañ lay mere Ali dañ lay mere booy bi di ko wax ne yow yaay nanguli nga toppa naar yi Ali xam nga lu tax mu daaxa kooku liggéey Ali magam bu góor moo jógee Germany ñoo Gambia gis boy bi comme liggéey bu mu nekk di defaral ñoom Ali mu appreciate ko boy bi mu magam mu ne dafa amee boy bi moto su ñibbee pour boy bi def ko taxi Ali xaar ba mag bi ñibbi mu xool mag bi ne ko ne kii sàccakat la daf ma sàcca fekk dafa fen moto bi la nekk di kal pour kooku bu mu am moto boobu noonu moto bi bu mu ñëwee Ali si boppam moo doon dawal moto bi benn jaxala kooku Fatou la tudda mu ngi si waañ bi clean la kooku nekk foofu di liggéey Ali tongoo kooku moo doon 5 years Ali mu ngi tongoo kooku te kooku mu ngi koo liggéeyam noonu la dee def di tongoo staff famille
di leen
moo
jaxase
doon 5 years kooku clean la ba fa di jaxase staff yi waaw di jaxase staff yi kooku moo doon 5 years mu faa liggéey mu tongoo kooku
suñu xeexee mu ne leen ne da ngeen war a dem
léegi
français kii moo wiin kii moo dóor
waaw di leen vidéo wala gars suñu xeexee mu di leen vidéo léegi bu mu daaxee kooku man ma yëg ne dafa daaxa kooku xam nga man tam dama waane rek ma dem contact kooku léegi ma ne kooku yow moo doon 8 years yaa ngi liggéey si Ali ma ne ko nañ dem nga yóbbu Ali léebo because daaxut kooku for no reason dafa toog rek mu ne kooku na bàyyi liggéey léegi ma àndaa kooku ñu dem léebo Ali nekk dafa yëg ne kooku maa ngi ko yóbbu léebo Ali jiituñu léebo ndook ma fekk Ali léebo xaw ma lan la waxanteeg because fekkuma fa boos bi keroog so boo yi laa fa fekkoon xaw ma Ali lan la duga di wax ak ñooñu man dama agsi rek Ali jóg because man Ali ñemewut ma dama agsi rek mu jóg bu mu jógee ma génna ma start di ko saaga man tamit ma koo saaga di ko saaga rek mu daw mu dugga si moto mu taal moto bi mu dem bu mu demee dafa àgg si restaurant mu ne staff yi ne démb ma gis naa evil boobu noonu mu ne man la nekk di saaga waaye dama ko yëre moo tax ma daw ma bàyyi ko foofu so li Sister Fanta di wax nii am na ñu bari ñu nekk di comment fii xam naa leen ñoom dañ dee ñëw Paradiso te xam nañ ma fii sos amut fi yaaxa amut fi Ali mu ngi dinaay ne 1350 nekkul di fee ñëw ñu staff yi waaye Sister Fanta mu ngi amee contrat gi Ali boo xam ne Ali xam na Sister Fanta xam na ne Ali mu ngi fay staff am 1350 ba pare Ali lekka du leen ko jox paas du leen ko jox tip yu leen di customer yi di jox Ali daf koo jël seen loxo ndook tip yu leen customer yi di jox Ali daf koo nangu sa loxo Ali customer sa moo laa tip xaalis bu bëri mu nangu xaalis bi jox la si $100 mu ne disaabu leen tip léegi man xam nga yene say su ma meree Ali dama dee mere ñu fa nekk di jaamu Ali ni waxante dégg Sister Fanta